Hey, it's Dan McDonald, Life Regenerator on YouTube. It's actually dinner time, and I got a few requests. Well, what do you eat for dinner? We know that you have the lemon ginger blast every day, which I don't. I usually have like lemon ginger blast, watermelon juice, cucumber juice, green juice, grapefruit juice, cellulite melter, carrot apple ginger, mixing it up. Lemon ginger blast 2 or 3 times a week, you know what I'm saying? And then all kinds of citrus in season right now. So that's really big at the top of the list. So today I had the best day ever. I really did. I had the best day ever. I got up early at like 4, and then at 5 I started meditating, and then I had a consult at 6, and then I went and did an awesome yoga class. Then I came back here and made an awesome video. I liked it anyways. And then I went and did some tactical training, and today I was learning how to shoot rifles and clean them. And then I came back here and went for the most epic bike ride of all time. Just got back from that. Just took an awesome hot bath, rubbed essential oils all over me. So I'm feeling good. I'm feeling very blessed. I had an awesome day today. So I'm gonna finish it off with an awesome salad. So I'm gonna answer the requests and keep the marathon rolling along here. I got some red leaf lettuce, I got some romaine lettuce, and then I got half a bag left. I should have got more. I can't believe I got like 4 bags and it still wasn't enough. Because I'll have like 2 full bags. And I've had these big giant salads every night and it's been awesome. So I'm gonna just cut my leaf lettuce here. I kind of like bite-sized pieces myself. I'll show you a little bit more as I roll along here. I don't really get too fancy with how I cut my lettuce. I don't mind big ass pieces. There's a million ways you could do it. You could get very technical if you wanted to, but that is not really my thing. So I might even have some big pieces like that, giant pieces of lettuce. And then to mix it, I'm just going to add a little. It's just like some kale and arugula and a bunch of other really cool stuff. I mean, like a very unique mix. Romaine is like a staple for me, just because the old grocery store down the street always has it. And mix a little bit of that in, a little bit more of this, and I've got some of these broccoli microgreens here. Boom, looking good, baby. And then I'm going to toss some carrots. It's really simple, and I'll show you a quick dressing and just a basic. I mean, it's so basic, it's stupid. I mean, my diet is super boring. These salads are as gourmet as I want to get, to tell you the truth. So I've got this Cuisinart food process to show you how easy it is to make a salad. This is the shredder blade. And I really love this thing. I have a peeler thing that also juliennes the carrots. I like carrots. These are actually red carrots. Red on the outside. Some of them are orange on the inside. Other ones are yellow on the inside. So crazy, right? But they're really, really tender. Unbelievably crisp. Much lighter than the orange carrots. Much more, just less dense. It's really cool. Okay. See if we can do it. We got it. Come on. That sure makes it easy, right? And then I'll just snap off a quick dressing, and I'll surprise you with this surprise dressing. It's actually green juice that I made today. And then what I can do is turn that green juice into a dressing. Can you dig it? So there's that. And then I just do the carrots, and I'll mix this up off camera. What I do is I mix it. I need to get a bigger bowl because this one, but I've kept it super minimal, but I'm about ready to invest. But then what I do is mix it up in here, and then I just mound it in here, and then that's my dinner. Aren't those cool? So, boom, love these carrots. Love carrots on a salad. So that's easy to do, and then this just rinses clean. So let's do a dressing. I'll move this out of the way just for the sake of something. Yeah, looks a little better. So with the dressing here, it's just the clean green juice. And then of course, so that is celery, cucumber, lemon. My pajamas always fall down. Excuse me. It's celery, cucumber, lemon, cilantro, kale, and dill. And so, you want to make a dressing? So you just take maybe, a little bit, whatever, half a cup. Not half a cup, but more like a cup and a half or 2 cups. A little bit more. And then I'm just going to blend in an avocado. So you can also just blend the whole vegetable. You're going to have more fiber in your dressing, but this makes a nice dressing. You could add a little garlic, sea salt, ginger, turmeric, hot peppers, a jalapeno, some apple cider vinegar. I mean, the list goes on and on, for how you can take this and turn it into a dressing. I'll try to keep my fingers clean on this video. Cool. Just there's that. These avocados have been really nice lately. And voila, real simple, super simple. And then I'll just take this over here and we'll see what happens, what kind of texture we get. Should be decent. Mix that avocado in there, and you got a pretty, it's a little thin. I added a little too much juice, but it's, you'll see that it's, real decent. So it's a little thinner than I would like. I could throw another avocado in there, but for the sake of time, I think you get it. Just get the, texture right. You might, if it, I don't think I'm going to do this even while I get off camera, but you could add like another half an avocado or whatever. Anyways, you can't really screw it up. And then you can just drown your salad and dressing and do all the flavor enhancements that you want. And then there you go. So that's what I have for dinner. It varies, but I like salads. They keep me really, really stabilized, So I'm just rolling with my own intuition. I encourage you to do the same. Find what you like, what works. One thing that I would point out though is that raw living foods is, your energy is just way better. It's cleaner, it's clearer. As long as it's not like too much raw gourmet, but simple, light, clean, wholesome, natural foods that digest easily and very easy to digest combinations, and then eat in peace and harmony and with reverence and with the intention to just keep your colon healthy, to keep your body healthy, to feed the microbes, to feed energy and light and consciousness to your brain. You become what you eat. Your thoughts are affected by the food that you eat. So try to eat as much fresh, organic, raw, living foods as you can. Dan the Man is out. Thank you very much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment, and I will see you on the next video. I appreciate you very, very much. I'm so looking forward to chilling out. God bless you. Peace be with you. Sat Nam. I'm out.